Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the results of the USDA report. Well, for the first time in a long time, the USDA gave us bullish numbers, both for the farmer and the trade. We would expect that the funds come in and maybe add to their long positions, but the key now is whether the farmer sells this rally or not, given especially in the eastern Corn Belt where yields could be close to record. So the numbers on the USDA NASS farm survey said a crop of 14,750 in corn. We were expecting a 15 billion crop. That's 174.6 yield. In the beans, 43.39. Trade was expecting 43.75. That's a 50 bushel yield. All wheat crop, 16.97. Trade was looking for 17.23. They lowered the winter crop, 13.18 from 13.63, with white down to 160 from 194. Other spring was 343 versus 325. And the hard red winter wheat crop, 776 versus 806. As far as the S&Ds are concerned, for 21-22, the corn carryout is 1242. Again, they lowered the export numbers and feed numbers, but I think that's usually because of, at least the feed numbers, because of the lower crop. I still think they need to add 300 million bushels back to the export number. Wheat 627 versus 644 expected, and beans 155 versus 159 expected. And here again, they lowered exports 20 and crush 20, and that could happen. As far as the global numbers are, wheat ending stocks 279 versus expectations of 288. And last month, 292. Corn, 284. Expectations, 288. And last month was 291. Soybeans basically around 93 versus 94 last month and 94 last month. They did lower the Brazil crop to 87 million tons from 93 and exports at 23 million tons. They lowered the Canada crop to 24 million tons from 31.5 and Russia from 72.5 from 85.0. So again, the global exporter wheat stocks to usage ratio is extremely low. And right now we've got wheat anywhere from 30 to 37 cents higher, corn up 29 cents, and wheat's been fluctuating, beans have been fluctuating about up 20 cents. So outside day in the beans, testing 13.87. The closer we get to $14, maybe you'll see some farmers selling. September corn at 579, 580. And again, that's the price that maybe farmers might want to sell. And the wheat's at 760 in September. We also feel that early in 2022, the Kansas City wheat futures may trade over $8 and maybe test $9 because of the tight global supply. Behind me is a picture locally of some logistics train moving at a large country elevator with a crowd behind it. So now we're going to be looking at logistics, farmers selling, and just how much prices want to add at the USDA numbers. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.